First of all, go to the file and choose new. Here follow the custom file size like this and press create. Now take the text tool, select the default Arial font, make sure our foreground color is set to black. Now type the letter G in capital. Hit Ctrl T for transform options, hold the Alt button and increase the text size like this. Hit enter. Right click on this text layer and choose rasterize type. Now go to the file and choose place. Select this grass image and hit place. Hold the Alt button and increase the image size like this. Now right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Take the brush tool, select the G letter layer, then go to the brush settings. Here choose import brushes. Select the grass brush and hit load. Now go to the bottom and select the grass brush like this. Change the foreground color to black. We can resize the brush by using left and right brackets. Now paint the grass on the edges of this letter like this. Also set the drop shadow to this letter like this. We can also use this letter in PNG format. Now is the time to see the final result.